Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Discord, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Discord website at discord.com. Click on the login button in the upper right corner. If you already have an account, enter your email and password, then click login. If you don't have an account, select register to create a new one. Fill in the required fields, including your email, username, and password. Once completed, click on the Continue button. You will receive a verification email in your inbox. Locate that email and click the verification link provided. After verification, return to the Discord login page. Input your credentials and log in again. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Discord home screen. If you want to join a server, click on the plus icon on the left sidebar. Choose Join a Server. Enter the invitation link for the server you wish to join. Click Join Server to access it. To create your own server, again click the plus icon on the left sidebar. Select Create My Own. Personalize your server by adding a name and uploading an icon. Click Create to finalize your new server. Now, to invite friends, click on your server name at the top of the channel list. Select Invite People from the drop-down menu. You can copy the invite link and share it directly. To navigate channels, click on the text or voice channel names on the left sidebar. To start a conversation, click inside the message box at the bottom. Type your message and hit Enter to send it. For voice or video calls, click on the voice channel of your choice. Your friends can join by selecting the same channel. To customize your settings, click on the gear icon near your username. Adjust notification settings, privacy options, and other preferences as needed. Explore features like screen sharing and streaming by clicking the screen icon within a voice channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.